Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 2.2, seventh problem onwards. So, seventh problem is very important. It is a pizza problem. Vinay bought a pizza and cut it into three pieces. So, one pizza how it will be there? It will be round in the shape. So, that pizza, what he done is he cut into three pieces. Okay, not three equal pieces, he cut into three pieces. When he weighed the first piece what he done? He weighed. Okay, then he compared that first piece weight with the remaining two pieces. Okay, so weight of the first piece, weight of the first piece, we don't know. First piece, we don't know. We should assume it is x grams. Weight of the first piece is x grams. Then what he done here? First piece, he found that it was 7 grams lighter than the second piece. So, weight of the first piece is 7 grams lesser or lighter than first piece, second piece. Okay, he found that it was 7 grams lighter than the second piece. Okay, weight of second piece, weight of second piece. What he done is he compared weight of second with weight of first piece. So he weighed the first piece, he found that first piece was 7 grams lighter than second piece. Second piece, how much it will be there? Than that, this is 7 grams lesser. So second piece weight becomes x plus 7 grams. Now just imagine, he made a pizza into three pieces. First piece weight we don't know, but he said that first piece is 7 grams lesser than the second piece. From second piece, if you subtract 7, are you getting first piece or not? Same like this. Next again, and 4 grams heavier than the third piece. This is 4 grams heavier than the third piece. Weight of third piece. Weight of third piece is how much it becomes? X minus 4. Why x minus 4? What he said? This is 4 grams heavier than third piece. So, for third piece, if you add 4 grams, you will get first piece. See, for third piece x minus 4. If you add 4 grams, you should get first piece. First piece is x. And again, from second piece, if you subtract 7, you should get first piece, because first piece is 7 grams lighter than second piece, he said. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, these three are important. These three we should write by seeing the question. Next, what he said, if the whole pizza weighed 300 grams, total weight of the pizza, total weight of the pizza, total weight of the pizza, how many grams? 300 grams. Total weight means one pizza he cut into three pieces. So weight of first piece plus weight of second piece plus weight of third piece is equal to 300 grams. Yes or no? Weight of first piece, Weight of first piece how much you assumed? X plus. Weight of second piece how much you assumed? X plus 7 plus. Weight of third piece how much you assumed? X minus 4. Is equal to how much here? 300. Now like terms, unlike terms. X. For 1x, if you add another x, 2x. 2x plus x is 3x. And here plus 7 is there, minus 4 is there. Plus 7, minus 4. 4 is having minus, 7 is having plus 1. Unlike symbols are there, then always you have to do subtraction. And which symbol is having greater value, that symbol you have to keep for the answer. So plus is having greater value because 7 is greater than 4. So in answer you will get plus. So you will get plus 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Is equal to how much here? 300. Plus 3 take to that side. 300 minus 3. From 300 if you subtract 3, you are getting 297. 3x is equals to 297 means 3x is equals to 297 means x is equals to 297 by 3. Divisibility rule of 3. What is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of digits. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18. So here 3 9s are 27. Again 3 9s are 27. So 99. What is here x? X value is 99. Means weight of first piece is 99 grams. And weight of second piece if you want, for 99 you have to add 7. You are getting 106 grams. And here weight of third piece if you want, from 99 you have to subtract 4. You are getting 95. These three pieces weight if you add, you should get 300. Are you getting it or not? See it. 99, 106, 95. I am adding. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 0, 2 carry. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 2. 20, 0, 2 carry. 300 you got it. 3 pieces weight, if you add, you are getting total weight of the pizza as 300 grams. So this is the problem. So many methods will be there. It is one method. We can do in whatever method you will understand. Okay. Now we will go for the next problem. What is the next problem? We will see it here. Read carefully. The distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. See, I am drawing here one diagram. It is rectangular field. Okay. Distance around means from here to, he counted the center. Around means it is nothing but perimeter. So, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much they given? 400. Perimeter means the distance around the rectangle. The length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. So here breadth if you assume as x, breadth of rectangle, breadth of rectangular field if you assume as x meters, 400 meters. Breadth of rectangular field if you assume as x, length of rectangular field, length of rectangular field. Now read question perfectly. What he said here, the length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. Breadth how much it is there? For the breadth 26 meters more. Means more means you should do addition. X plus 26 is length of the rectangular field. Next what he is asking, calculate the length and breadth of the field. He is asking to calculate length and breadth. So perimeter of a rectangular field. Perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus D. How much they given already perimeter? 400 meters. 2 as it is I am writing. L means length. Length how much I have to write here? X plus 26. Breadth how much I have to write? X. Is equal to how much? 400. This 2 take to that side. Inside the brackets here x plus x. 2x 26 is equals to 2 is multiplying here or not? If you take to this side it will divide. 200. So here 2 plus 26 you are taking to that side. 200 minus 26. So here if you do subtraction, 174. 2x is equal to 174. 2x is equals to 174. X is equals to 174 by 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 7s are. So how much you got here? 87 you got it. What is 87? Breadth is 87. If breadth is 87, length becomes 87 plus 26. 87 plus 26. If you add 13, 11. So length is becoming like 113. Length is 113. Length 113, breadth 87. Around distance means again it is 113, again it is 87. All 113 plus 87 plus 113 plus 87. If you add 2 into 113 plus 87. 87, 90, 100, 200. 2 into 200, that is 400. So you got perimeter is 400 or not? Hence we checked that it is right answer. So checking not necessary. You have to write breadth of rectangular field is 87 meters and this 87 substitute in this one. Length of rectangular field becomes 87 plus 26. Do addition. Length becomes 113 meters. Okay. This problem is completed. Next question. The length of rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. See, it is given in English, okay? So, length and breadth he compared. Length of rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. So, breadth of rectangular field you should assume as x. Breadth of rectangular field you have to assume as x. Then length becomes length of rectangular field becomes what he said, how many meters less he said? 8 meters less than. So you have to subtract 8 meters less than. What? Twice the breadth. 2x minus 8. See here, I written in mathematically, length of the rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice the breadth. Means 2x minus 8. Then still what he given here? If the perimeter of rectangular field is 56. Perimeter of rectangular field is 56 they given already. So now you should write the formula for perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B is equal to how much? 56 meters. Okay. Now same like previous problem. 2 as it is. L. In place of L, what I can write here? 2x minus 8. In place of B, what I can write? X. Breadth is x. Close the brackets is equal to 56. This 2 take to that side. Inside the brackets 2x is there, x is there. These two like terms. For 2x, if you add x, you are getting 3x. This minus 8 as it is. This 2 is multiplying or not. If you take to this side, divide. 56 by 2. If you cancel 28, you are getting 3x is equals to minus 8 if it is transposed into this side plus 8. 3x is equals to, for 28 if you add 8, you are getting 36. So x is equals to 36 by 3. So x is equal to how much you got here now? 12. So breadth is how much? 12 meters. Breadth is 12 meters. Then length becomes 2 into 12 minus 8. 2 12s are how much? 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 is 26. 26 becomes what? Length. So the problem is right or wrong if you want to know. In formula 2 into L means 26, breadth means 12. If you add 2 into 26 plus 12 is 30. Somewhere else wrong, right? 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. Here it is 16. 16 plus 12 is 28. 2 28s are how much here? 56. So, perimeter of rectangle is 56 or not? See here. 2 12s is 24. From 24, if you subtract 8, you are getting 16. So, 2 into L plus B, 2 into 16 plus 12, 2 into 28, 56 is perimeter. So, next problem is I'll read. The equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. Two equal sides of a triangle. See, in any triangle, equal sides 2 means it is isosceles triangle. Okay. So 2 equal sides means it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Triangle will have how many sides? 3 sides. One is AB is one side, BC, AC. We know that AB and AC are equal. AB and AC are equal. BC is third side. It is first side, it is second side, it is third side. If you want otherwise, 1, 2, 3 write down. Without confusion, equal sides I am taking as AB here, AC here, BC here. It is first side, second side, third side. Okay. Now what he said is, two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. Third side you have to assume as x. So this is 5 meters less than. 5 meters less than means you have to subtract 5. Then twice the third side. Third side is how much here? X. 2x minus 5. AB and AC are equal. AB is 2x minus 5 means AC also 2x minus 5 only. Why I took these two are same? Because these two are equal sides of a triangle. Now what he given? Perimeter of the triangle is 55. Perimeter of a triangle formula. Perimeter of a triangle. Formula is AB plus BC plus CA. All the sides you have to add. Means 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus x is equal to, how much they given already perimeter? 55 meters given. Now like terms. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x plus x is 5x. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 55. 5x is equal to 55 minus 10 is transposing to that side plus 10. 5x is equal to 65. X is equals to 65 by 5. So x become how much here? 13. One side is 13. Equal side if you want, 2 into 13 minus 5. 2 13s are how much here? 26. Minus 5, 21. If it is 21, this becomes 21. 21, 21, 21, 13. If you add, how much you have to get here? 55 you should get here. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So 55 you got it or not? So this is the problem. Lengths of its sides means AB, BC, CA. You can write it. So remaining we will discuss in the next class.